Here we have displayed a total 4 number of machines. As you know, with the growing demand of technological product, we have displayed the high performance machining center HMC here, and to cater the growing demand of 5-axis machines, we have displayed our own product with a 5-axis machining capability. Here you can have a look of this machine. You are most welcome anytime. We can show you. Again, the Delhi, as you consider the market of automobile industry and with a high volume of products, to cater that demand, we have displayed turning center with auto loading like this. Please welcome. This is the 2-axis turning center with the integrated gantry robot and complete automation, which we are displaying here for gearbox, gear cutting, bearing industries. After this, we have displayed to cater for the small vertical machining center to cater the die mold segment. We have displayed this PX20 machine with 8000 RPM Mitsubishi controller. We are also showing the live cutting of the machine here on shoe mold. We have displayed these 4 machines because we are looking very high volume of plastic industries are in Delhi NCR. So to serve those industries, we have displayed that small machine with 4 die and mold in machine. And to cater the growing demand of automobile industry with automation, we have displayed that machines to cater the demand of automation, integrated automation on the machines. And as lot of companies are coming with demand of aerospace and defense and drone manufacturing, to manufacture those components, we have displayed that 5-axis machines and the HMC also. So we are looking for the customers in this industry segment of medical industries, drone industries, like that, sir.